Hi students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn division. Our present chapter name is multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. Already we have finished more problems depending on multiply. Today we are going to learn about divide. See, I will write some examples. This first one, a basket, of 6 mangoes can be divided into three smaller baskets. This is the question. A basket of 6 mangoes can be divided into three smaller baskets. How many mangoes are there in basket? 6 mangoes. There 6 mangoes are there. Yes. We have to divide these mangoes into three smaller baskets. See, three baskets are there. First mango here. Now second one here. And the third one here. Now next mango here. And next mango is here. And last mango is here. Now how many mangoes are there in each basket? Here 2 mangoes, here 2 mangoes, here 2 mangoes. See, total mangoes are 6. First time we insert one mango in one basket. One. Total 3. 6 minus 3, 3 mangoes are there. Next time, every mango insert in one basket. Here, here, here. Total again 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Here, subtraction 3. 3 is subtracted 2 times. 2 times. It is called repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. In every basket, 2 mangoes. 2, 2, 2. 2 repeat 3 times. 2 repeat 3 times. 2, 3 is a 6. Total mangoes are 6. Total mangoes are 6. First time we insert each mango in each box. One means year one, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Remaining mangoes are 3. From the 3, again we insert one mango in one basket. Again 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Yes. Repeated subtraction is 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Repeated subtraction is called divide. The meaning of divide means division means repeated subtraction, or 6 divided by 3. Here we have 3 baskets. Basket 1, basket 2, basket 3. 3, 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. In every basket, 2 mangoes are there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is the meaning of the division. Division means repeated subtraction. Now I will explain one more example. Share 10 bananas equally between 2 boys. Question number 2. Share 10 bananas equally between 2 boys. Yes. There are 10 bananas. There are 10 bananas. Number of boys are 2. 2 boys are there. Share 10 bananas equally between 2 boys. Yes. This banana, first boy, second boy. Banana. Here one more banana. Next time, these 2 bananas. Next, these 2 bananas. Remain these 2 bananas. And finally, remain 2 bananas. Yes. First boy got 5 bananas and second boy also got 5 bananas. The total bananas are 10. How many persons are there? 2 persons. 10 divided 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 are 10. This is our main answer, that is 5. Each boy get 5 bananas. Okay, one more solution is there. That is total bananas are 10. First person get 1. First person get 1. Total 2. 2 subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. Next time, one more banana, one more banana. Again, 8 minus 2, 6. Next, again 1, again 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. And one more banana, one more banana. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. And finally, 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Here, number 2 subtracted 5 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. It is called repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction means division. Repeated subtraction means division. There are 2 subtracted 5 times. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. There are 2 repeated 5 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. Yes. 5 bananas. It means each boy get 5 bananas from total 10. Is also example for division. Division means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction means division. Now I will write the notes on the board. Please write these notes, your running notes. These are important points, key points for division. Now division. Division means repeated addition. Sorry, repeated subtraction. Sorry, division means repeated subtraction. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. First point, division, repeated subtraction. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. The symbol of division is the symbol of division is or forward slash, or it is called forward slash. Example, "20 divided by 5 means dividing 20 into 5 parts." Dividing 20 into 5 parts. This is a short note about division. This is not right in your regular note. 20 divided by 5 means dividing 20 into 5 parts or 5 groups. Now, next point. Now, two hundred and 48 divided with 2. 248 divided with 2. And now we write table 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Yes, 248 divided by 2. We use 2 table for this simplification calculation. Two hundred and 48 divided by 2. Now, see here, first one is 2. 2 ones are 2. Now do subtraction. 2 minus 2 0. Next the digit will come down 4. Next two twos are 4. 4 minus 4 0. The final digit 8. Come down. Next two fours are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Yes, here 2 is called divisor. One 124 is our answer. When 248 is divided to 124 is called quotient. 248 divided. 248 is called divided. Now this 0 is called remainder. These are called label of division. First one is divisor. 124 is quotient. 248 divided. And this is called 0 is called remainder. Take this label of division. I will explain again. Dividend. Divided. Divided means the number to be divided. The number to be divided. Next, divisor. Divisor, the number that divides. The number that divides. Quotient. Quotient. The answer in division. The answer is division. Remainder. The excess number. Dividend means the number to be divided. Divisor means the number that divides. Quotient, the answer in division. Remainder, the excess number. These are labels of division. Now, everybody open page number 28 in our maths textbook. Here we have small box. In that box, complete the following table. Given problem, quotient, remainder. Page number 28. Everybody open page number 28. Now page number 28. Complete the following table. It is under. Try this. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. See. Problem. Quotient. Remainder. Yes, see problem 300 divided by 100, 425 divided by 100, 682 divided by 100, 810. 810 is divided by 100, 905 also divided by 100. Here, every time divisor is 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, we need 100 tables. Try the table 100. 100 ones are 100. 100 twos are 100, 200. 100 threes are 300. 100 fours are 400. 100 fives are 500. 100 six are 600. 100 sevens are 700. 100 eights are 800. 100 nines are 900. 100 tens are 1000. This is a table for 100. See, first problem 300 is divided by 100. See. 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300. 100 threes are 300. 300 minus 300, 0. Here, this is called quotient. Here, quotient is 3, remainder is this one, 0. Next problem, 425 divided by 100. Second one, 425 divides with 100. 425 divides 100. See, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300, 100 fours are 400. 100 fours are 400. Now 425 minus 425. This is the quotient is 4. Remainder is 25. Remainder is 25. As for the second problem, remainder is 25. Now, third problem. 682. 106 or 600. 106 or 600. From 682 minus 600. 82 is less. Remainder is 82. Now next. 810 divided by 100. 100 8 by 800. Your extra number is 10. 10 is remainder. Now 905 divided by 100. 100 nines are 900. Here extra number is 5. The remainder is 5. Okay, students, we complete this box. Try this box. That is page number 28. Do this box under homework. Write that quotient and remainder for every problem. Remaining problem we discuss in our tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we will see some more problems, that is depending on statement problems, and some more examples, and the combination of divided and multiply. We see problems in tomorrow class. Okay, students, goodbye.